Урок англійської мови в 3 класі за темою Noun, Plurals, Irregular Plurals. Іменник, множина іменників та іменники, які утворюють множину не за правилами. Підготувала вчитель англійської мови Біла Антоніна Федорівна. Noun is a word that means a subject or a person and answers questions who and what. We use nouns in the singular and plural. We can use a, an, or a number before a noun. If we want to make the plurals of most nouns, we add s at the end of the word. A month, months. An orange, oranges. A sweet, sweets. There is a red sweet on the table. There are 5 sweets in the bowl. If we want to make the plural of most nouns that end with x, s, double s, ch, sh, and o, we add es at the end of the word. Box, boxes. Bus, buses. Glass, glasses. Dish, dishes. Sandwich, sandwiches. Tomato, tomatoes. There is a big box in her room. There are 3 sandwiches in the fridge. If we want to make the plural of most nouns that end with consonant plus y, we drop the y and add ies. Baby, babies. Cherry, cherries. Family, families. There is a baby on the playground. There are 7 babies in the yard. If we want to make the plural of most nouns that end with vowel plus y, we add s. Boy, boys. Day, days. Monkey, monkeys. There is a monkey in the tree. There are 2 boys in the classroom. If we want to make the plural of most nouns that end with f, e, we drop f and add v, e, s. Leaf, leaves. Wolf, wolves. Wife, wives. There is a wolf in the zoo. There are 4 leaves on the ground. Irregular nouns change in different ways in the plural. Some don't change. Remember them. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. Person, people. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. Tooth, teeth. Food, feed. There is a woman in this shop. There are 10 mice near my house. Урок англійської мови в 3 класі за темою Countable and Uncountable nouns, some and any. Злічувальні та незлічувальні іменники. Вживання займенників some та any. Підготувала вчитель англійської мови Біла Антоніна Федорівна. There are two types of nouns, countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns can be singular and plural. We can count them. For example, a burger, 2 burgers, a suitcase, 5 suitcases, a child, 7 children, a river, 10 rivers. Uncountable nouns don't have a plural form. We can't count them. Remember 4 main groups of uncountable nouns. We use these nouns in singular forms. Abstract nouns: love, music, art, information, cash, noise, work, homework, news, time, literature, weather, power, luggage, money. Liquids and creamy substances: juice, water, milk, coffee, tea, lemonade, wine, yogurt, sauce, honey, jam, soup, ketchup, oil, ice cream, butter, cream, rain, snow. Substances smaller than a bean: rice, flour, sugar, soil, salt, pepper, sand, chalk, grass, corn, wheat, powder. What you cut or measure: bread, chocolate, cheese, pizza, cake, pasta, meat, chicken, salad, popcorn, spaghetti, pastry. If we want to build a sentence with countable or uncountable nouns, we use the words some and any. Pronouns some and any. Some – декілька, небагато. We use some with uncountable and plural countable nouns in positive sentences. There are some people in the street. На вулиці декілька людей. There is some tea in the teapot. У чайнику є небагато чаю. He has got some sweets. У нього є декілька цукерок. Any. We use any with uncountable and plural countable nouns in negative sentences and questions. Are there any people in the street? На вулиці є люди. There aren't any people in the street. На вулиці немає людей. Is there any snow in the forest? У лісі є сніг. There isn't any snow in the forest. У лісі немає снігу. Урок англійської мови в 3 класі за темою Countable and uncountable nouns, lots of, much and many. Зчислювальні та незчислювальні іменники, займенники lots of, much та many. Підготувала вчитель англійської мови Біла Антоніна Федорівна. If we want to describe amounts, we use quantifiers lots of or a lot of, much and many. We use lots of with countable and uncountable nouns, usually in positive sentences. For example, there are lots of children in the park. У парку багато дітей. There is lots of water in the glass. У склянці багато води. We use much and how much with uncountable nouns. We usually use much in negative sentences. We use how much to ask questions. For example, is there much water in the glass? У склянці багато води. How much water is there in the glass? Скільки води у склянці? There isn't much water in the glass. У склянці небагато води. We use many and how many with countable nouns. We usually use many in negative sentences. We use how many to ask questions. For example, are there many children in the park? У парку багато дітей. How many children are there in the park? Скільки дітей у парку? There aren't many children in the park. У парку небагато дітей.